This is our mission. Let's go.
Hello, Mariah. Okay. Can you see me? Woo! I have nothing to do.
Okay, go. 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 I can't do it. I can't do it. Go, Mariah. Just go. Please open the door.
No,
Go, Kayla.
Are you serious? Recording? Mission failed. Woo! Can you see me?
Yeah, we're still recording.
Kayla right now is drunk, by the way. Look, point that to her. Look at this kid. She's drunk as shit.
I'm gonna throw up.
Do you hear that, folks?
Just close the door more.
She's gonna throw up. Are you gonna put this on like Facebook?
Hello.
Put it on YouTube. Holy shit.
Hello.
Hi, people.
Hello. This is me and my drunk bitches. Yeah.
Oh my god. No, that'd be so
This is all our alcohol, which is not much considering we drank most of it.
There's
See, look at this.
No, there's more in the fridge. There's more in the fridge.
Fuck yeah. Woo! Definitely sure.
Do it, do it.
Look at Kayla's sparkles. I just like Kayla's boobs.
I would show my underwear, but it might be in it.
Go, let's do it. Wait.
Woo! It has a little garter attacher there. We take pictures, hurry up.
Mariah is going to be the Facebook whore, and she's proud of it.
Facebook whore.
Okay?